welcome. Today in front of me Realme GT Neo 3 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see the ringtone volume panel and just to unmute ringtone, swipe this dot to the right side with your finger. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just tap here to advanced settings and be sure that here in volume button function you have selected ringtone volume, not medias. And after that just by press up volume button here on the left side of our device, we can also unmute our device ringtone. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.